Good day, everyone. Welcome to ATCx Digital Twin Virtual Global Event. Today, I'm going to focus on how Altair's vision as being a partner in progress to our customers in accelerating their digital twin journey. As a public company, we need to have the safe harbor statement. I'm going to leave it for a few seconds. I always want to start off with our vision. Our vision is to leverage computational intelligence to drive innovation for building a more connected, a more safer, and a sustainable future for our customers. In my humble opinion, I don't think a glorified CAD model is a digital twin. Instead, I believe we at Altair use computational science to effectively realize digital twin realities. We have 16,000 plus global customers spanning all the way from manufacturing to life sciences to financial services, leveraging our design simulation, high performance computing, data analytics, and AI platforms. We have thousands of customers across the globe who have built digital twin using Altair's technology for design, manufacturing, and operations to optimize their design, to optimize their manufacturing, and in service as well. We at Altair believe that the integration of design and simulation, high performance computing, and AI is driving disruption. And some of the things that are truly the trends in the market today are AI is becoming more and more pervasive. AI is increasingly used to analyze vast data sets that are out there, to identify patterns from them and make predictions. This is particularly valuable in the area where we play in, that is simulation, where AI can optimize designs, predict performance, and even generate new design concepts. Smart data and digital threads, the ability to collect, to analyze, and to use data throughout the product lifecycle is essential for informed decision making. In my humble opinion, digital threads provide a connected pathway for data to flow so that it can enable better collaboration and optimization. The increasing availability of powerful GPUs and high performance computing resources in the cloud has made complex simulations more accessible and affordable. This has enabled engineers to tackle larger and more intricate problems with the augmentation of AI into simulation. So we drive the convergence and provide disruptive innovation by bringing data science and rocket science together as computational innovation intelligence. Computational intelligence is delivered to our customers through the convergence of these three platforms, that is, Altair HyperWorks, which is our design and simulation platform to design and validate virtual prototypes. Altair RapidMiner, which is our data analytics and AI platform for smarter decision support solution. And, and Altair HPC Works is our high performance computing and cloud platform to harness the power of high performance computing and cloud scalability. Finally, Altair One is our cloud innovation gateway to accelerate our customers' digital transformation journey. Our secret weapon, in my opinion, the Altair advantage, is the computational innovation intelligence, which is seamlessly combining AI with rocket science with cutting edge engineering expertise. An impactful digital enterprise needs digital threads to manage all your models, your digital twin models, and track changes throughout the product lifecycle. You also need a very compelling deployment platform across all the operations for the twins that you build. These twins can be simulation or AI powered. You also need optimized compute resources, whether it's on prem or scaled out to any cloud for exercising these digital twins. And finally, you need an application ecosystem where we provide all the Altair tools as well as third party tools in order to build and manipulate these twins so that they can be deployed across the entire product lifecycle. Altair One is the one stop shop for unlocking the full potential of a digital enterprise for our customers. As part of Altair One, we provide effortless access to powerful simulation and data analytics tools anytime, anywhere, creating a truly dynamic and a collaborative environment to accelerate innovation. Altair One also manages your entire data and tracks changes throughout the entire product lifecycle, ensuring complete transparency by providing a unified digital thread framework. Finally, enterprises can transparently manage and scale compute resources on premises, in the cloud, optimizing both cost and efficiency. And Altair One is a true hybrid compute powerhouse. We make it easy for our customers to deploy Altair One on premises, on our customers' tenancy in the cloud, or you can straight away leverage on the Altair cloud, the collaborative environment to accelerate your digital twin journey. Altair Digital Twin is the most comprehensive digital twin offering in the market because we leverage both physics and AI, and we feel it is extremely crucial for building effective digital twins. While some tools focus solely on physics or AI, our experience shows that combining these approaches provide the most reliable and accurate results as such. We also believe that computational physics plays a pivotal role or a vital role in generating realistic data. By simulating fault and degradation, we can train AI models to accurately predict the future performance, even in situations with limited real world failure data. And finally, we believe that this hybrid approach of combining physics and AI offers numerous benefits, right from optimizing the sensor placement to studying the system of systems performance. Our platform can truly provide a seamless way to design and deploy these models, ensuring that your digital twins are both accurate as well as valuable. The key ingredients for a digital twin and a digital thread platform, in my opinion, is an open architecture and interoperability. Being able to work with all vendors and leverage your legacy data to find key insights is extremely critical. We differentiate ourselves in the market with Altair One that supports any kind of requirement management tool that we can integrate with. We can integrate into the product lifecycle management systems of any vendor. We can talk to any data source, be it cloud data warehouses, or be it databases, or be it MCAD, ECAD, CAE formats out there. And this data could be structured, unstructured, or semi structured as such. We also support the creation of models of all fidelity, right from the architectural models leveraging SysML to building extremely intricate and complex 3D models to ML and AI models, all using our modeling tools, no code, or extremely high code integrated development environments. And finally, we can also support any kind of process, right from product to the business process modeling, because we are able to bring all of the data together under the knowledge graphs, leveraging the newer acquisition that we have made, which is Cambridge Semantics. I am excited for the impact that we can create together with our customers. And I want all of you to now tune in to watch our customers present their implementation of how Altair's partner in progress strategy has helped them accelerate their digital twin journey. Thank you.